washed out. Ooh. Yeah, hold on a second. I can't do this. I hope that's much better. Yeah, that's much better. What's up, everyone? I don't know what I'm doing. This is my Land Cruiser, and I am about to install the Uptop Kilo roof rack. Now, I recently switched from the Rhino Rack Pioneer 6 platform. It was a great rack for what I thought I needed it for. Essentially, it is a great platform rack. This rack has some features that I really want, and also it's gonna work better with the rooftop tent, which is right there. There it is. And you can see the Rhino rack back there as well. So, the reason why I am super blown out is because I have a old, newer light here that is completely washing my face out. So I apologize for the terrible lighting. I am going to essentially just kind of talk to you guys why I got this rack and what I plan to do with my Land Cruiser as I gather all of my supplies to install it. That's what this video is going to be about. So the Kilo rack, I got it on Black Friday through the Black Friday sale. I also got the Uptop front light bar, and I also got the scene pods, which are the lighting options for the side of the rack. And then I got the grab handles as well. So this is going to be a completely different roof setup that I had before. Again, the platform that you see back there is really good for, I'll throw some photos up of how I was using it. I think it was great for having the awning up there and the tire, as well as the roam box, which honestly, I'm going to miss having that space because this rooftop tent is going to take up everything. And let's get started on just opening this box and kind of looking through everything, because I'm not even 100% sure that I got all of the supplies. Always sheath the box cutter. Always. Yo, this is dope. So I drove out to Castle Rock, Colorado to pick this up from the Uptop warehouse. Great team out there, cool people. If I were to have ordered this and have it shipped across the United States, I would have been very impressed with how well this is packaged. I just want to say that, because that's cool. Okay. So I watched this video on YouTube. They have a very good installation video already of how to do this. So I'm not going to try to recreate it because their video is great. But I did want to kind of walk through the process of how you put a roof rack together. I am doing something a little bit different because with my last roof rack, I did not have to do this, but I am going to do some elastic sealant so that it can not be a leaky rack. Prompted me to look into getting a new roof rack was a concern about the roof noise that I was getting in my other roof rack. And now it wasn't too bad. And what I mean by too bad is like it wasn't bothering me to the point where like I just couldn't hear in the car or anything like that. I would say that there was always a noise. For some reason, there was always a noise. No matter what, there was a noise. There were different noises. There were crosswind noises. So that was due to the way the side bars are made, where they have like holes in them. So if you had crosswind, you would get like a, you know, almost like a ocean shell kind of sound. The other noise you would get is like a whistling noise that would come from like the plastics in the front of it being hit. So there were just all sorts of noise, and that's not really something that you want. It got kind of annoying because it wasn't consistent. Kind of like it was, that's kind of like what made it worse. And then when I got the tent, it was even worse. The tent just made it, like, just created like almost like a organ. It was like little tunnels that the air was going under the tent and just hitting the platform, which again looks like an organ. Like, it just, all the wind flow was just going in and out, and that kind of looked cool. But you know what I mean? Like, it wasn't a good mix. So this rack has a lot of aerodynamics as far as the front wind dam. And then hopefully the lights don't whistle. I'm hoping that does not cause a problem. And then right into the tent line, I think everything will look really good. I also think everything will be nice and functional, nice and tight, so that when I add things like an awning or other accessories, the width of the vehicle is not too wide. I want to try to keep this as a daily. This is the goal, keep it as a daily. So I got the hardware pulled out now, and I'm 100% not going to be able to do this in one night. So I'm not even going to try at this point, but I am going to try to get things out and organized and see at least what I need to go to the store tomorrow to make sure I have. So one thing they recommend to do is to take everything out and to lay it out, make sure you got everything. And that's what I'm going to do, because I'm going to pretend like I am a professional installer. 3 to 4 hours of trial error can easily have saved 15 minutes of reading the instructions. Unknown. If you hit a snag or have a question, our support team is standing by. They know their stuff, and they know they love helping customers. Call us. That's cool. Cool people. K109, K107, K108, K104. Can y'all see this? All right, so K106. These are the washers. K105, K103. Okay. Got some Loctite here. Hey, got the Uptop sticker. That's cool. Okay. So these are definitely the support plates. These are like the front, middle, and rear support plates. These are I think the pressure plates, I think. So not only are the bags labeled in order, but it tells you in red what's required. VC3 required. Like, that's just, that's dope. All right, so I need to get some more supplies. So this is going to be a 2-part video. Let's catch each other tomorrow after I get some. I need to get a 5/13 32nd Allen and a 3/16 Allen drill bit and a little wrench. So y'all have a good night. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. We'll continue this video later. All right, we're back. So I went to Harbor Freight, and I got some SAE sockets, deep and short. Also picked up a overpriced ratchet, but the reason why I got it is because it is low profile and it is short. So this is going to come in handy. And then I also got some Torx. Oh, I think I got the wrong ones. Well, damn. Let's see if these work. Well, at least I have this. So, all right. All right, so I think I got everything. I am just going to go ahead and try it. So let's get started. First things first, I need to take off the previous roof rack. Yep. So on the kilo rack, as you can tell right here, there is where I put in the crossbar and I mounted the rack to the roof mount. So what we're gonna do is we're actually going to take it back apart. I know. We're gonna take it back apart. And then we are going to install the first grab handle. So I'm gonna zoom in, zoom out so you guys can see. And let's get started. Actually, yeah, let me show you the parts first. So when you get the grab handles, you're gonna get a pack. I got a 2-pack. So they gave me 4 of these little brackets. So you're gonna start off with these brackets. These are the grab handles right here. And then these are the feet. And then these are all the bolts and everything that you need. So everything comes really, really well packaged. I apologize for how sloppy this is, but everything's it comes in a nice little bag. So we're gonna go ahead and get started now that you guys can see. So here's another difference here. So in the instructions, it comes with 2 washers. With this setup, with 2.0, you only get 1 washer. And so the original bolt is going to go in between this, and then you're going to put this washer behind it, and then you just put it back in. So let's go ahead and try that. I'm going to go ahead and take out the original bolts right here, and let's see how it looks. So this is just the first grab handle. Hopefully I'm doing it right. Like I said, no instructions. I can always call them. They are very friendly, so I'm gonna hit them up if I can't figure this out. So we'll see how well this looks. What's wild about this is that I use some Loctite. So I'm gonna put these back in with some Loctite. Once I figure out if exactly how this goes, I'm definitely gonna use some more Loctite. So, should I use some longer bolts? I don't know. I do need to use the longer bolts because I'm adding more thickness. You guys can kind of see that once I screw this in, it's gonna go all the way through. So I don't think I need to use this washer. We will see. So there we go. We have this installed. There really wasn't anything else to do. Let me brighten up the ISO here so you guys can see. All right, that's it right there. Like I said, I'm gonna go back through with some Loctite later. I don't think I need to do anything right now. The funny thing is that this is a threaded hole, but I could also technically do a washer maybe, and another lock nut, but I don't think I need to do that. I think that is overkill. I'm gonna try to look at the instructions one more time to confirm, to see if there is anything else I'm supposed to do. because like I said, so yeah, if you're attaching it to the Bravo or Zulu roof rack, you're gonna use the washer and the locking nut. So yeah, you see what I mean by like trying to install this on multiple racks. I love how they give you all this extra hardware. So I'm definitely gonna save all of this because hardware is expensive. Like I end up spending $30 to $100 sometimes trying to put stuff together, you know, over the years. I'm not saying I spend it all in one go. I'm just saying hardware is expensive. Uptop gives you a lot of it, so I appreciate it, especially considering that a lot of this stuff is universal. You just gotta know what you're doing. So I hope this was a quick video about the Zulu rack with the the Kilo rack with the new Uptop grab handles 2.0. So all you need to do is use the original washer, spacer, and the additional bolts, and you can just bolt it right into the original OEM spot. No issues. So this is the whole purpose of this grab handle. I will be able to put my foot down here, and grab up here, and get on my roof rack. So that's the video, guys. Sorry for the jumpy video. Again, I am Matt. I like to go off-roading. I talk about tech gear and Overland on YouTube. Follow me for more adventures with this Land Cruiser, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Stay up.